I bought these in the second half of 2025 at my local Carrefour hypermarket. They were doing a sale, buy one, get one for free. So basically 50% off. So instead of €6, I paid €3 for each. There's 4 American cars in it, so it's not very appealing to the average European consumer. But I bought the set anyway for that kind of money. That's a good deal. So what are these? These are the Showroom Deluxe cars. So compared to the regular Deluxe showroom cars, they have rubber tires and they come with a box. Let's just start with the first one I grabbed here. There's several ways to open up this packaging. Let's start with this method first, just opening it from the bottom. Which is not the way it's meant to be. So just a very basic box, the new Majorette logo on there, and then all the mumbo jumbo on the base. Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. So we got suspension, got the rubber tires, of course. Opening doors, got a red interior, an okay looking interior, lens headlights, full deco, proper steering wheel with the flat part on the bottom. No Bugatti on the spoiler, would have been nice if that was on there. Nope. Lens tail lights, they only ever have lensed headlights. And these are hook assembly models, so not going to see a post on these. The new Ride Now basic cars do have posts now, unfortunately. So yeah, nice one. Let's continue with the other European in the set. So what you're supposed to do here is rip this open here, but the tab to rip it open is glued. So you kind of have to try to pry that loose to actually be able to open it like it's meant to be, and that usually doesn't work because you get that. And you can do this and just do that. And that's probably the easiest way. I learned that from Aurel of the Quirky Garage 1999. Again, got the box and the Lamborghini logo. So these don't have metal bases, these are plastic bases. Lamborghini Chiron FKP37. A little bit of suspension travel, not much. I like the gold rims. Got the scissor doors, very nice purple color, and the gold accents nicely set it off. Got a off-white interior with that Knight Rider steering wheel. No lens headlights on these because these are very tiny, these headlights. And these doors open far and wide. Yeah, the rest of the interior is not much to look at. Just the steering wheel is okay. Very little engine detail there. And some tampers on the rear. Not on the exhaust, unfortunately. But all in all, not bad. And they definitely get an A+ for attempting these crazy doors. Other than that, well, it's not their best model. Then we get to the first American car. This looks kind of like a chase with that chrome green. But it isn't. Cool artwork. Does it say there? Official licensed product, I guess. So the Chevrolet Corvette, GM trademark. When was this produced? In Bangkok, the 31st of March of 2025. So again, more suspension travel in the front and in the rear. This one does get the lens headlights. Huge Corvette logo. Yeah, not a lot of detail on the steering wheel, I have to say. Oops, sorry. That is a pretty bland looking steering wheel. Nicely detailed in the rear. Yeah, that's okay. Let's get to some pickup trucks. This one's giving us a bit of a fight. Also a GM product. The GMC Hummer EV. So even these knobby looking tires are rubber. This one gets at least some more suspension travel. Got some ghost paint in that gray on the side. That is not visible from every angle. That's cool. HEV on the side there printed. This one has the frunk that opens up. It's all metal underneath there. That's cool. The bed liner is plastic, but you know, yeah, I was thinking maybe the bottom underneath would be metal, but it's not. It's definitely plastic. So yeah, that's a bummer. So the roof section is plastic with just some reinforcement underneath it that is metal. So I guess they put all that metal underneath here to compensate for the lack of metal in these parts. Tail lights that fully wrap around as it should be. And it's got this kind of Spectre Frost green, which looks cool. Another pickup truck. I don't know who chooses these models, but not the best choice in my opinion. Toyota Tacoma. So that's not an American. So there's 3 American cars in here. Sorry, I thought this was an F-150. That's how interested I am in pickup trucks that I don't even look at what it actually is. So I stand corrected. So 2 Europeans, 3 Americans, and 1 Japanese. Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Racing Development Pro. So this one has the different type of suspension that they developed. So so it's yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it's different than before. It just still uses these bars, but it seems like the axle, there's something different with the actual axle of the vehicle too. They changed something there. Anyway, gunmetal gray is the actual hue of the vehicle, and then there's some wild graphics on there. This is a better detailed interior than some of the ones we've seen till now. Pretty small lens headlights, plastic grille. So a little bit more detail on the steering wheel. Tacoma embossed in the tailgate, 4x4 and TRD Pro printed. Trailer hitch. Also got the plastic floor, but not the plastic sides of the bed. Well, just the bulkhead or whatever you want to call that. It's plastic. Yeah, that's okay. And then we end with the possibly nicest American car in this set. I mean, the Corvette is not bad, but for some reason this looks more appealing. Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Again, a little suspension travel, but that's okay because it's a sports car. Ford Performance livery. Again, yeah, that's a better looking interior than some of the ones we've seen here. Again, very small lens headlights. Mustang on the windshield banner. Doors open far and wide. There's some details on the door cards. Cool. Thanks for watching.